Curiosity drives demand for AI titans, certified quality, and superior performance metrics. Resellers secure reliable inventory with consistent consumer appeal and strong profit margins. Key features: 1. Advanced AI-driven content creation for diverse digital marketing needs. Key features: 2. One-click generation of high-converting marketing copy and visuals. Key features: 3. Built-in suite of tools for social media, email, and ad campaigns. Key features: 4. Intuitive drag-and-drop interface requiring no technical expertise. Key features: 5. Real-time analytics to track and optimize campaign performance. Pros: 1. The platform's ability to generate a complete marketing campaign in minutes is a monumental time saver, drastically cutting down on manual labor and accelerating project timelines for businesses of all sizes. Pros: 2. The quality of the AI-generated copy is remarkably human-like and persuasive, effectively capturing brand voice and driving higher engagement and conversion rates for various advertising channels. Pros: 3. Its all-in-one nature eliminates the need for multiple disparate software subscriptions, consolidating workflows and providing significant cost savings on your overall marketing technology stack. Pros: 4. The user interface is exceptionally intuitive and requires zero learning curve, making it accessible for entrepreneurs and marketers without any prior design or copywriting experience. Pros: 5. Built-in analytics provide actionable insights on campaign performance, allowing for data-driven decisions and continuous optimization to maximize your return on investment. Cons: 1. The subscription cost is positioned at a premium level, which may be prohibitive for individual solopreneurs, startups, or very small businesses operating on a very tight and limited budget. Cons: 2. Heavy reliance on a stable, high-speed internet connection is mandatory for all core functions, making it unusable in areas with poor connectivity or during internet outages. Cons: 3. While generally high quality, the AI-generated content can occasionally lack a truly unique creative spark, sometimes producing output that feels slightly generic without manual refinement. Cons: 4. The platform's extensive feature set can initially feel overwhelming to new users, potentially requiring a short adjustment period to fully navigate and utilize all available tools effectively. Cons: 5. Customization options for specific, niche industries are somewhat limited, which may not fully cater to businesses with highly specialized or unique marketing requirements. Marcus Thorne: this AI is a game changer for my agency. The copy converts incredibly well. May 5th. Sarah Jenkins: saves me hours every week. The interface is super easy to figure out. April 5th. David Chun: output is sometimes too generic for my niche. Needs more customization. February 5th. Elena Rodriguez: worth every penny. My social media engagement has doubled. May 5th. Kevin Murphy: it's good, but the subscription is a bit steep for a freelancer like me. March 5th. Priya Sharma, great for whipping up ad variants quickly. Solid time saver, 4 out of 5. Arthur Pendleton, useless without a perfect internet connection. Too dependent, 1/5. Chloe Davis from Blog Ideas to Ad Copy, it does it all. My go-to-marketing tool, May 5th. Ben Carter does the job, but you still need a human to polish the final draft, March 5th. Natasha Volkov, impressive analytics feature. Help me see what's actually working, April 5th. AI Titan is a robust solution for automating and enhancing digital marketing efforts, offering immense value for teams and businesses ready to leverage advanced AI for scalable growth.
Thanks for watching.